Mr. Krasinski appears before the court for sentencing, represented by Attorney Hartman.
There are a lot of aggravating factors in this case that I want the court to consider while sentencing the defendant. One of those factors is that the defendant received a fairly generous plea bargain from this court, or from the prosecutor's office, in part due to input from the victim. I'd ask the court to consider sentencing on the maximum side of the guidelines in this case. Thank you.
Mr. Krasinski, do you wish to speak on your own behalf?
Sure, I do. First of all, I would like to tell everybody that I'm sorry at any level that I have hurt anybody, and that forgiveness is for you, and I too forgive, which is for me, things that I feel have been misrepresented, and this has been a hard course. This has been a hard course. It's nothing that I thought it would ever be in terms of process. I would ask that the court I realize I waived my court process whereby I cannot allude to anything, but there is more. There is another side. There is another side of this, and I feel like a lot has been embellished. But I want the court to know that I'm truly sorry.
This is your time to tell me what you want me to know,
okay,
Mr. Krasinski, because you have rendered a no contest plea and agreed for the court to review and rely on certain documents in the file, which I have done.
I know things look bad. I know things look bad. I can imagine that things look bad in your eyes. But the truth is the truth. I feel like there's been a lot of distortions, a lot of lies, and again, there's nothing I can do about that. Only to say that there's been a lot of distortion. I'm not perfect, and I hear the huffs and the puffs behind me, and that's okay. This is the way I feel, and again, I want everybody to know at the level that I opened that door, I am sorry. I am sorry.
Very well. This defendant is here for sentencing today based on a plea that he entered into. He has pled no contest to one count of gross indecency between a male and a female, committing or procuring that. And that's a crime that carries a 5-year maximum sentence. The defendant has certainly done many good and positive things during his life, and has contributed in an appropriate and lawful and good way to his family and the community. But these things do not detract from the wrongfulness and the seriousness of the conduct that brings him here today. So the sorts of things that reveal the dark side of human nature at times, and are done in secret. So the shame is his, the wrongdoing is his. It's not the fault of the victim. The court will sentence this defendant to probation for 5 years. There are orders that he serve 9 months in jail. After he has completed 4 months in jail, the court will consider releasing him to the monitor for the balance of the sentence, depending on its progress and the results of the assessments. The court will allow him to have work release in accordance with the work release rules. And in addition to the other punishments imposed by the court will order that he provide 500 hours of community service during the term of his probation.